out of your cage? Did you get out of your cage? Why are you out of your cage? Do you want help? Look in the cage. Here we go. Can you come back in? Oh. Yeah. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What that bell do to you, huh? What that bell do to you? Whoa. Big bird. Big bird. Sorry, he touched the camera. Big bird. Ah. You bat. I didn't know Tiki was a bat. I didn't know he was a bat. Oh my. He just jumped on top of my iPad. Good bird. You gonna dance now? Just go on my iPad. Why'd you jump on there? Ah, get off, get off. Ow. Hey, no biting. Get off. Go back on your cage. You dance now. Woohoo. Silly bird.